RMFL 3000 is a rack-mount cooler designed for cooling up to 3 kilowatts handheld laser welding and cleaning machine, and mountable in a 19-inch rack. Because of the rack mount design, this industrial water cooling system allows stacking of related device, indicating a high level of flexibility and mobility. Temperature stability is plus or minus 0.5 degrees Celsius, while the temperature control range is 5 degrees Celsius to 35 degrees Celsius. This circulating water chiller comes with a high-performance pump. Water fill port and drain port are mounted on the front, together with a thoughtful water level check.